welcome the Australian team. It's a great honor to the all our nation, and the excellent arrangements by the Pakistan Cricket Board, Pakistan Armed Forces, Pakistan Police, Pakistan Civil Administration, and Islamabad administration also. And we are giving you head of state security, which we give security to the head of the states. And there are some people, especially the Indians, which are not happy with the happiness of the Pakistani people who are the cricket lover. And they did same during New Zealand tour. But this time they have failed. And you will see how all Pakistani nation will welcome the Australian, because the Pakistanis are the cricket lovers. And they are our guests, and we will host them up to 6. If they want to stay more, they are welcome. Thank you.